I purchased this Tesla less than a year ago as my dream car, and I planned to travel the whole US in it, and that's what I did for the past year. I even slept back here, so I made my dream car my dream home with my 2 dogs. Then one day I wake up and I open the door and I get an error message. It's probably the worst error message that anybody owning a Tesla can ever get. And that error message popped up right here in the dash, right after it says key fob battery low. And what it said was charge level reduced. And that means that I'm homeless and without a car. And I was like very worried. So then I got the car towed from California, where I was camping out at, to New Mexico, which is where I'm at now, which is where my family lives. And I wake up the next morning and I go to unload my stuff from my car, and the error message is gone. Completely gone. So I get the charger to plug it in, and it accepts the charge after spending over $1,000 in Airbnbs and towing to get it here. It works perfectly fine. So now I'm left with a Tesla that I don't feel is reliable, and a battery that's failing. And then Tesla told me that the battery does need to be replaced, and this is how much they told me it will cost. $14,354. $14,354. The car is only worth $10,800. I don't know what to do. But here is the story of it all going down, so you can see my stress, everything I attempted, and eventually whenever it started working again. So that way, whenever this happens to your Tesla, you can understand. But enjoy the story. Starts off at camp. Alright, so I woke up this morning to the car saying battery level reduced, maximum battery charge level reduced, schedule service. So I am very scared to drive right now. I'm going to try to go to a supercharger and see if that'll work. If not, I'm going to try to go to a wall outlet, see if that'll work. If not, I don't know what I'm going to do, but we'll see. Regen braking is kind of working. We're up to 27% now. But I've got resistance lines on the regen braking at about 40 kilowatts now, and the acceleration is capped out at 120 kilowatts. The resistance bar just now disappeared for the braking. But the car says we should make it to the charger with 40%. So if that's true, then that will be great, because that'll give us more time to figure out what to do. We'll see. Maybe I just need to rebalance the batteries. I do supercharge every single day, so I could probably just use a good rebalance, and maybe that'll fix it. Oh, we're up to 28% charge now, so it is regaining battery, which is amazing. That is really good. Definitely stressed out bad right now though. So far it's at 31%, so it is taking a little bit of a charge, which is good to know that the regen braking is working. I'm not too sure how much the regen braking will recharge it up to, but it is regaining battery, so that's a good sign. I think, I don't really know, I don't have experience with this, but telling myself it's a good sign, so it helps with stress. Luckily I'm heading down this mountain, and that seems to be the only reason why this is going to be alright. Alright, so I'm at the charger station. I made it. The battery went up to 37%, but I plug it in and it says charging complete. So I guess that's not going to work. Now I'm going to go look for a wall outlet to try and plug into, but this is not good. It says maximum battery charge level exceeds, battery charge level exceeds maximum charge capacity or something like that, so yeah, that's not good. Fuck. Okay, so after going to 2 slow chargers with the 12 volt plug-ins, the first one didn't power on, came to a second one, didn't work, so I guess I'm gonna go get a hotel now. Try to get out of this heat. And hope that Tesla gets back to me soon. I don't know what I'm gonna do, bro. I literally live in my car. I have nowhere to go. I'm on the West Coast. My closest family is like 700 miles away. Alright, so yesterday I got the car towed from California to New Mexico and had to put it on a trailer. This morning I was unloading it to grab some stuff and the error message is gone. So I'm going to try to charge it, see what happens. Just doesn't make any sense that the error message would like disappear like that. Might need a different extension cable. This one doesn't have a ground plug, but I'll find one that'll work. Alright, so I've got some weird news. It's charging. Plugged in the extension cord. Had to find a different one, this yellow one. And it's so weird. The error message is gone. The charge reduce level is gone. As you can see in there, it says charging. I'll try to get you a little bit closer. Charging. Right there. But somehow I guess the battery is fixed. I don't know. But last night, getting off the trailer, I broke the bumper completely. So I'll have to replace the bumper and then I'm going to trade this thing in because I don't want it to be in a lemon anymore. Like, it's been a lemon. So don't buy a 2014 Model S used. Unless it has really low miles. But even then, I still wouldn't get it. Alright, that's the video. I guess I fixed the car for free. Just had to pay like $1,000 in tow trucking to get to here, and now it works. Couldn't tell you.